Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to see which devices are connected to your Wi-Fi. To see devices on your network without accessing your router admin page, we'll use a specific app. Open Google Play Store and search for Wi-Fi detector or Who Used My Wi-Fi. Install it and then open the app. Once the app is open, start a scan so it can detect devices currently connected to your network. This might take a minute or two, so just wait for the scan to finish. After scanning, the app will show the number of connected devices. Click on View Details to see all devices currently connected, along with their IP addresses, device names, and device type like Windows or Android. You can tap on a specific device to see more details, like the gateway or DNS address. This helps identify unfamiliar devices that may be slowing down your network. If you find a device you don't recognize, you can block it via your router settings. Log into your router admin page, for example, a TP-Link router, enter your password, and follow the instructions to block that device from your Wi-Fi. And that's it. Now you know how to see and manage devices connected to your Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next tutorials for more tech tips.